This is the interthalamic adhesion. If I cut this, then the cavity will be exposed completely. Let me cut it. So I am cutting interthalamic adhesion. And now I can reflect the cavity completely. So what you can now observe is the body of fornix. This entirely is the body of fornix, and then they diverge to form column of fornix, and behind here you will get crus of fornix. See this, there is a little bit of fluid, let me just remove it. So here this is the crus of fornix, they unite to form body of fornix, then they diverge to form column of fornix in front of the anterior end of the thalamus to form interventricular foramen. So this is the inferior horn. Here will be the roof, and this white shiny structure over this hippocampal formation is the LVS, and this LVS will condense along the medial side to form fimbria, and beyond the fimbria is continuous as crus of fornix. So let me just try to show you formation of fimbria, and for that we need to remove this choroid plexus and we need to see the entire hippocampal formation. So I have removed portion of temporal lobe, parietal lobe and occipital lobe, and just focus on this structure. This is hippocampal formation forming the floor and its medial most part. Now we can clearly appreciate. This is the white sheet forming LVS, and over here you can see a ridge. See this is the ridge, this is fimbria, and this fimbria is continuous as crus of the fornix. This is crus of the fornix. Let me show you the same from medial aspect. See this, now you can clearly make out this is the crus and the same crus over here, and then it forms the body of fornix, and beyond that this is the column of fornix. So this is how the entire fornix you can appreciate. See this. So this superior surface of the fornix will form floor, medial most part of the floor of the central part, and same this fornix is continuation of this fimbria, and beyond that this is LVS, and this is entirely the hippocampal formation.